Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop 2107. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Laptop 2107 sounds like a jet engine while overheating, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to dust accumulation in the fans and vents, which can hinder airflow and cause the laptop to overheat. If left unresolved, it can lead to permanent damage to your device's internal components, resulting in costly repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, and some compressed air for cleaning. First, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the back cover using the plastic opening tool. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once the cover is removed, locate the fan assembly near the center of the laptop. This is typically where the loud noise originates. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the fan and remove the screws holding it in place. Keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. It's important to apply the right amount of force when unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. Once the fan is free, take a moment to clean any dust buildup using the compressed air. This will not only help with the noise but also improve the overall cooling efficiency. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, insert the new or cleaned fan back into its place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Reattach the screws and reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Finally, carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Once everything is assembled, power on your Surface Laptop 2107 to verify that the fans are operating quietly and efficiently. To prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to clean your laptop regularly and ensure proper ventilation during use. Avoid using the laptop on soft surfaces that may block airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.